Ready to conquer the world of search engines? Let's dive deep into creating a killer keyword strategy that rockets your site to the top. Welcome to How to Create a Keyword Strategy, where we unlock the secrets to boosting your website's visibility. Now you might ask, why are keywords so crucial? Well, they're the roadmap that guides potential customers straight to your content through the maze of the internet. First step, research. It's not just about guessing what people might type, it's about knowing. Using tools like Google Keyword Planner or Authority Solutions' exclusive analytics, identify keywords that are relevant, high in search volume, but low in competition. Next, consider intent. Are your users looking to buy or just browsing for information? Tailor your keywords to match these intents, creating a seamless journey from search engine to site. Now, integration. Don't just sprinkle your keywords, weave them into your content naturally. Blogs, articles, even your meta descriptions should all harmonize with your keyword strategy. Remember, Authority Solutions is here to help sharpen your strategy with our expert SEO services, ensuring your keywords aren't just words, they're your ladder to success. Before you go, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more insights. Ready to elevate your SEO? Join us and become a keyword master today.